Hi, I have nothing to say as to why I've been away for 3 years, but welcome to my channel. This video is about this makeup look. This is just a very natural makeup look for me. It's what I like to throw on my face every day when I put on makeup. Let's just get right into it. This makeup look is for those who like to look put together, usually on the go, and just like to look naturally pretty. This is essentially what I would throw on my face anytime I want to put on makeup. Well, obviously not what I'd wear to an actual occasion or special thing. That's a whole different thing. Go ahead and grab a pen and a paper because I'm gonna be showing you guys some gems that I know you're not gonna want to miss. All right, so I'm starting up with partially prepped skin. My usual prep is just moisturizer and sunscreen, which I already put on. Always moisturize, guys. I don't care what skin type, skin tone, range, rover of skin that you have, you must moisturize. Just make sure you get a moisturizer that caters to your skin type. At least that's what I do. I use the Nivea cream. This is like a moisturizer and a primer in one. Kind of smells like baby product and also vintage at the same time. I can't explain it. Consistency is very thick. It does its job, and in the end it's still weightless. It helps to hydrate my skin and just balance out my oils so they don't come picking out in the day. If you're an oily gal, you know exactly what I mean. Primer that I've been loving, AQUA Grip Water Jelly Primer. It's one of those sticky ones, just like the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It will give you a shine, but honestly, as you put it on, you start to feel the stickiness, like it just, which is the perfect base for makeup because the makeup has something to grip on. I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm taking this face definer brush from Jessup. This brand is an AliExpress brand, but trust me when I tell you, I know what I say when it comes to brushes because I've tried even Morphe brushes and it's not like I don't like it, it's just this is better, so do the math. I'm gonna put the RCMA No Color Powder all over my face. The point of this is so that my face has less shine throughout the day. It also helps with longevity of my makeup. Tip I learned here on YouTube or something, and it's changed my life. It has to be a translucent powder. If you start to put on like finishing powder or some powder that once you put it on it starts to have some sort of weight, in the end when you're done with your makeup you're going to have a cakey face. So know this and know peace. Foundation, I'm gonna be mixing two foundations. One is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless and NUBAN Beauty in My Skin foundation. And I'm taking this buffer brush from the same AliExpress brand. I'm just going to start to just buffer that into my skin. The combination of these two products, honestly, look at it. I don't have to say anything. The mere look, the feel, weightless. Trust me, still don't feel like I have anything on my skin. The primer, moisturizer, everything as one layer. This combo. Moving on to concealer, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Espresso. And I just like to put that under my eyes this way, bridge of the nose, forehead, chin, and some of my upper lip area. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out with a brush. I'm just here to say that the LA Girl Pro Conceal shade Fawn is not for everyone. Like, I mean literally not for everyone. Like, whatever your shade is, you will find it. Please put the fawn down because you see, this concealer is not an OG for nothing. Honestly, the best affordable concealer in the market. There's no argument about this. It's one of the concealers I always run back to no matter what. I'm gonna go ahead and set with the Younger Beauty Blur Effect. This is the shade Custard. I think that this powder is like one of the softest Nigerian powders. It's not easy to get a good powder, you guys. I promise you, you're not going to regret this powder. So I'm going to press that into so that I apply concealer. I think that this is a very pretty and functional container. It's like open it up, pour it out, then when you're done you just close it. I think that's really nice because like not every powder gives you that. I am so particular about packaging. I could buy your product just because your packaging is nice. I don't care what's inside. If your packaging is nice, trust me, you have more points. And then for my contour, I am going to use this ZARON face definer. This is an OG face definer. It's so good. If you're my skin tone and you have found an affordable contour powder that is not ashy or doesn't look weird on your skin, please tell me, or please tell me in the comments, and subscribe while you're at it. If you made it to this part of the video, might as well just subscribe. You know, this packaging requires me to use my teeth each time I want to open it, because I can't open it with my bare hands. Like, I wish I could. Like, I try every single time, it doesn't work out. And then I have something really bad to say. ZARON Cosmetics, if you people see this video, this thing is always breaking. You people should do something. I don't care what you people do, just do something about it, because this is not funny. Every other thing I own falls down all the time, but this is the only thing that breaks all the time. I don't know if that is your people's marketing strategy so that we can buy more of your stuff, but it's really annoying. So I'm taking this one in the middle and I'm putting it at the perimeter of my face. And for blush, I use eyeshadow. I use this palette, this coral color, and I'm just putting that on my cheeks, everywhere. Next, I go into setting spray. I use this V Beauty Stay Matte. I'm gonna put that all over my face. That is drying down. I like to take my beauty sponge and just press everything in. Moving on to the brows, just like brush up my brows and fill them in. And then for my lips, I'm taking this giant David's Eye pencil in the shade number 3. The NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. This NK lip gloss.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye.
Is that girl? Ooh. Okay.